In this video, you will learn how to solve systems of linear equations by graphing. Let us take a look at this example. Y equal 1 over 2x minus 2. The other equation is y equal minus x plus 1. We will notice here, guys, these two equations given in the slope-intercept form, which is y equal mx plus b, where m represents the slope, b represents y-intercept, which is 0, comma b. So the easiest way, guys, to plot this type of equations to identify these values and to plot them on the coordinate system. So if we compare this equation with the standard form, we will notice that the value 1 over 2 represents m, which is the slope, which equals 1 over 2. And to find the y-intercept, we have to put 0 and the value of b. According to the rule, we have to put the value of b, which is minus 2. So it will be 0, comma minus 2. Now let us jump to the second equation. We have y equal negative x plus 1. So comparing this equation with the standard form, we will notice that the value of m equals negative 1 and the y-intercepts equals 0, comma 1. Next, we need to use these values and plot them in the coordinate system. Let us start with the first equation. We will have to go to the y-intercept first. So y-intercept is 0 and negative 2, which is at this point 0 and negative 2. Now, for writing or for plotting the other points, we need to use the slope. And as we know, the slope equals the rise over run, right? So according to this, we have 1 over 2, which is 1 over 2. Now, in this case, we have to move 1 unit up, then 2 units to the right. So rise over run, which is rise over run. Okay, so we have to move 1 unit up, 2 units to the right. Of course, we have to start from here. So you have to move 1 unit up and 2 units to the right. So which is at 2 and minus 1, which is here. Now let us draw one more point to make our graph clear or accurate. So we have to move 1 unit up, 2 units to the right at 4 and 0. So it will be here. Now simply I have to connect these values or these dots together. Next, we have to follow the same steps and repeat the same steps for the second equation. We will start with y-intercept at the point 0 and 1. 0 and 1, this is 0 and 1, so the point will be here. And the value of the slope is minus 1. So the slope is minus 1. Minus 1 is same as minus 1 over 1. So we have to move 1 unit down and 1 unit to the right. So we will have to move 1 unit down, 1 unit to the right. So at here, our second point and our third point will be 1 unit down, 1 unit to the right here. And we will connect these two dots together. Now the point of the intersection between these two lines, which is the point 2 and minus 1. So this is the solution for our system.